Every human has two faces. One is the face that we all see, and one is a face that only a few of us see. Your doctor sees, and your probably your partner sees. So the face that is private is also as important as the face that is up here. So if this is working out for you, but that is not working out for you, then there will be a dissonance in the function of your software, and you will see it at some point. So in my anti-aging experience, I have found it extremely useful for my clients, not just to maintain the form and function of their face and their architecture of their face and everything, but also the pelvic health is a very, very important part of their overall wellness, not just physical, but also mental. It has an impact on how you feel. Your pelvic health has an impact on how you feel. Any problems with your urination, with sexual function, anything down there can impact you. So, just like the face is important, that is the other face. That is the face you don't show no one, except for your OB or your urologist if you're a man. And it is very, very private. I totally understand this is such a private matter for people. And that's why one of the reasons I like to talk about it more openly is because nobody's going to talk to you about it. You have to go find a doctor, figure out what are your options if you're having any issues. Many times I find pelvic problems with women only after I do some test or run some test on them, and then they'll come out and say, oh, by the way, I'm also feeling this and also feeling that, and oh, by the way, I haven't had sex for like blah blah so many years. And I'm like, why did you let yourself? And they just think that that's normal. They think it happens. This is the part of aging. We are supposed to accept that. You're right. Guys, you're right. Our ancestors didn't have that. Our ancestors didn't have the facilities, the knowledge, the awareness, or the machines that we have. However, if our ancestors had these machines, they would have used it. So just know that if you've not heard about these yet, please look for it, because remember, if it hasn't entered your consciousness that your preservation of your body is important, and you can listen, we live for like so little. Our life is so short. It's painfully short. So we can extend it for a little bit, a little while longer. And the most important thing is to not just extend it, but also preserve the quality and the energy and the pizzazz that the entirety of your system should experience throughout your lifespan.